Hello my friends, in today's video, we are going to take you on a journey through Poland as we explore the top 5 must-visit places in this enchanting country. From vibrant cities to breathtaking landscapes, Poland has something for every traveler. So, let's dive right in. Before starting, I would like to tell you that this video is sponsored by BEYOND Compression Packing Cubes for Travel, helping you save space when you travel and organize your suitcase. The link is in the description. Now with the top 5 must-visit places in Poland. Number 5. Zakopane. Our adventure begins on Kropotki Street, the vibrant heart of Zakopane. This bustling pedestrian promenade is lined with charming wooden houses, traditional shops, and inviting cafes, taking in the sights and delicious aroma of local delicacies. For breathtaking panoramic views of Zakopane and the surrounding mountains, we head to Gubaloka Hill, where you'll be greeted by sweeping vistas and fresh mountain air. Enjoy a leisurely walk along the ridge and embrace the serenity of nature. No visit to Zakopane is complete without a trip to Morskie Oko, a mesmerizing glacial lake nestled amidst the peaks of the Tatra Mountains. Embark on a picturesque hike through the stunning scenery. You'll be captivated by its crystal-clear waters reflecting the surrounding mountains. Nature lovers will find paradise in Tatra National Park, a haven of biodiversity and awe-inspiring landscapes. Explore the network of trails that wind through valleys, scale mountain peaks. Keep an eye out for wildlife, as the park is home to rare species such as the Tatra chamois. Our final stop takes us to the heart of Zakopane's cultural heritage, its unique wooden architecture. Marvel at the intricately carved details adorning the traditional wooden houses, known as chachali. It's a testament to the rich cultural heritage of this mountain town. Number 4. Gdansk. Our journey begins in the heart of the city, at Long Market, a lively pedestrian street lined with beautiful townhouses. Immerse yourself in the rich architectural heritage, and marvel at the iconic Neptune Fountain and visit the renowned Artist Court. No visit to Gdansk is complete without a visit to St. Mary's Church, a towering Gothic masterpiece that dominates the city's skyline. Step inside this magnificent cathedral and be awestruck by its grandeur and the stunning astronomical clock. Climb the tower for panoramic views of Gdansk and the Baltic Sea. For a glimpse into Gdansk's tumultuous past, we journey to Westerplatte. This small peninsula holds great significance as the site of the First Battle of World War II. Explore the memorial and museum, which pay tribute to the brave Polish soldiers who defended the area against overwhelming odds. It's a place of reflection and remembrance. Our final stop is the picturesque waterfront of the Motlowa River, lined with charming buildings and bustling cafes. Take a leisurely boat cruise along the river, passing under iconic bridges and witnessing the city's architectural beauty from a different perspective. It's a serene and scenic way to conclude your visit to Gdansk. Number 3. Wrocław. Our journey begins in the heart of the city, Wrocław Market Square. This vibrant square is the perfect place to immerse yourself in the city's energy. Admire the colorful facades of the beautifully restored townhouses. Just a short walk from the market square, you'll find the magnificent Wrocław Cathedral. Marvel at the Gothic architecture and explore the interior adorned with stunning stained glass windows. Climb the tower for panoramic views of the city. Wrocław is renowned for its prestigious university, and a visit to the Wrocław University building is a must. Marvel at the grandeur of the architecture, explore the stunning Ala Leopoldina, and learn about the university's rich academic heritage. Our final stop is the Tumski Bridge, a romantic spot that offers breathtaking views of the city and the Oder River. Take a leisurely walk across the bridge, adorned with numerous lovelocks, and admire the picturesque scenery. As the sun sets, the lights illuminate the river, creating a magical atmosphere that will leave you in awe. Number 2. Krakow. Our adventure begins in Krakow's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Lose yourself in the enchanting atmosphere of the main market square, Europe's largest medieval square. Admire the splendid St. Mary's Basilica and the historic Cloth Hall, where you can find local crafts and souvenirs. After that, we head to Wall Castle, a majestic fortress steeped in history and legends. Explore its royal chambers, and don't forget to take in the breathtaking panoramic views of Krakow from the castle's hill. Our final stop is the Vistula River, which gracefully winds its way through the city. Take a leisurely stroll along its banks, enjoy the panoramic views, and don't forget to encounter the mythical wall dragon at the foot of the castle. If you're lucky, you might witness the dragon's fiery breath. Number 1. Warsaw. Welcome to Warsaw, the bustling capital city of Poland. Today, we're exploring the vibrant streets and rich history of this remarkable destination. Our journey begins in the heart of the city, Warsaw Old Town. Marvel at the meticulously reconstructed architecture, which brings back the charm of centuries past. Don't miss the iconic Royal Castle, a symbol of Polish resilience and grandeur. For a tranquil escape, we head to Łazienki Park, Warsaw's largest park and a true oasis in the city. Stroll through its enchanting pathways, admire the stunning neoclassical palace, and relax by the serene lake. To understand the city's resilience and turbulent history, a visit to the Warsaw Uprising Museum is a must. Immerse yourself in the interactive exhibits, which vividly portray the heroism and sacrifices of the Polish people during World War II. It's a poignant and educational experience that offers a glimpse into Warsaw's past. Our final stop is the iconic Palace of Culture and Science, a towering symbol of Warsaw's skyline. Take an elevator to the viewing terrace for panoramic views of the city. From here, you can witness the blend of historic and modern architecture that defines Warsaw's character. Poland truly offers a blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. From the bustling streets of Warsaw to the tranquil beauty of Zakopane, these 5 destinations showcase the diversity and charm of this remarkable country. So, start planning your adventure and immerse yourself in the wonders that Poland has to offer. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this tour of the top 5 places to visit in Poland. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!